Hello everyone and welcome to a new sprint review from the Eclipse JKube team. Regarding this sprint's accomplishments, for JKube we've continued to work on the Kubernetes and OpenShift Gradle Plugin implementation. The build and resource tasks are now ready and we are now working on the rest of Gradle tasks. In addition, we've started some work on the base container images and we're preparing the landscape for the expected Java 17 release. For the Kubernetes client, continuing with our short 3-week release cycle, we released version 5.7 and a few patches after that. Collaboration with the Java Operator SDK team is still ongoing. On today's demo, we'll show our progress on the build task implementations. In this case, we are going to show how you can easily build a Gradle project using an OpenShift S2I binary build using JKube's new ocBuild Gradle task.
Hello everyone, this is Rohan from OpenShift team and today I'll be demoing OpenShift build goal in OpenShift Gradle plugin that we added recently. So in order to demonstrate that, I'll be generating a simple Quarkus application, but instead of Maven, I'll generate a Gradle project. I'll add the REST dependency and I'll generate the application. I'll download it. Okay. I'll go back to my terminal and I'll unzip the folder. Okay. Let me do a quick Gradle clean build. Alright, let me open this up in my IDE. Looks like the project has been loaded. So in order to use OpenShift Gradle plugin, we have to add it in the plugins section. So let me do that. And since it's not released yet, I'll be using snapshot version. Alright, so right now we don't support zero configuration, so in order to build an image you would need to provide the image configuration here to the plugin configuration. So I'll just quickly add the image configuration, which would contain the details of what kind of image I want to build. Alright, I have added the basic image configuration for building the image, which uses this as the base image and some more configuration regarding copying some folders to the image. Alright, so it looks good, so we can go ahead and try building an S2I build of this project. So let me go back to my terminal. Let me go ahead and log into my cluster. Okay. Alright, so now in order to build the image, I can simply do Gradle ocBuild, which would be equivalent of oc::build in Maven. So it's gonna do the same thing, but the build tool is different this time. Okay, it has started the build and it might also be visible in the OpenShift console. If we go there, the build pod has started. Alright, so the build seems to have started and it's also tailing the logs of the build pod. Alright, it seems to have finished. So we can also check in the OpenShift console. I'm gonna have to go, okay, logs. So looks like the image was successfully pushed to OpenShift's internal registry, and if you check the build section, a new image stream also would have been pushed. Okay, cool. So looks like everything is working as expected. So this concludes the demo. Thanks a lot for watching.